Good afternoon, tutor and classmate. My name is Álvaro Vargas. I have a flute. My throat is a little sore, but I want to try to give you or show you my analysis about the sun. First of all, the name of the sun is Total Eclipse of the Heart. It is a classy sun, but it's very nice to listen. It's from the 1980s, interpreted by Bonnie Tyler. About the sun, I consider that the sun is very beautiful. It's a romantic and tenderness song. It's very beautiful. The instruments represent the tenderness of the lyrics. In fact, the song is very soft. It is possible to understand almost all the tense. It's very easy. With the song, I managed to listen to some music instruments such as piano, drum, castanet, guitar, and the other instrument that I can understand. What else? But the more exactly is a piano. It's very good. It's very good. Regarding the lyrics of the song, I can say that it's wonderful. The singer managed good tone. The singer have a good tone, a soft voice, and with good clarity. It's very important. The another aspect that I like it, this song tells the story of women who suffer separation or breakup. Emphasis that even the memory of the person torments her. Something that is clear is that there is a cliché that will not allow her to shine as she used to. In that same sense, the song has a masculine voice that repeats the phrase "turn around." On the other hand, the protagonist expresses that the love she feels for him is strong, that it has become a shadow. She cheerfully wishes or return with him, but the cliche doesn't not allow it. Sorry for the noise, it's a motorcycle, sorry. Finally, I want to spread that I like the song a lot of. One of my favorite phrases on the song, so what the part. And I need you tonight. I need you more than ever, and I feel only me tight. Sorry for my voice, but I try to sing that. I also like the part that says, "Once upon a time I was falling in love, but now I'm only falling apart. There's nothing I can do. A total of the twisted heart." That is my analysis about the song. Can I repeat once again? The song is very nice. It's very understandable. It's very soft. It's very tenderness. It's very clear the voice. It's a good song to understand different vocabulary. Thanks, classmate, for watching this video. This is the reference. Bye bye.